Hello there. Today I learned about what you call it, error exceptions and JSON. Um, and actually, the project today was to just update the password managers from day 29. So let's just head into it. So if you watched the previous video, you know how the program was shaped. So now to make it better, let's just show what I've changed. Okay, I have added this search button. What this search button does, it check if I have a password already on a website. Oh, here I have my username Kalle at gmail.com, at mail.com, and blah blah blah, random password. Then I have nothing, and then I have no info about that web page. Okay, so let's start here. First or in the previous project, we have a text file. And to get information from a text file is basically impossible, or it's extremely annoying. So we changed it into a JSON file. What a JSON file is a very universal way to save information. It's basically in a dictionary format. So this is a dictionary in a dictionary within a dictionary, and so on. So it's easy to get out information. So here is the code then to call it, save it into this JSON file. First I check if, like before, if I want to add something, it can't be empty. But however, let's move on from that. Here is the, can we call it, the cream of the crop. And here I use the try, except, else, and finally, which we learned from today's lessons. So first I try to open the data.json file as data file, and I'd save it into info. So if it was empty, it would go to this except and make a new JSON file where it would dump in the password and all the things I want to add. So we can say, I don't know, Instagram password bar. So if the JSON file, we can actually just delete it. So I will show you. Day 30 project data.json, delete. Good, delete anyways. So let's show you. So here, because I don't have a data.json file, I will just add Instagram and make a new data.json file. Bam. Close it up, and here it is. New file with Instagram. But if it then I instead add a new one, Amazon, make it a big Amazon, generate rented password, then the first try should actually work because I already have a data.json file. So I load it, then I write in it with the new information, which is this small dictionary here, or JSON file format dictionary, and then I dump it in so it gets added into the document. You see here. And finally, it will just remove, like before, remove the website and password when I add it, so it won't be on each other. Let's see here. Sorry, my data's doing. My computer is making some sound because it's hot or something. Okay, let's continue here. So when the JSON file was done, we needed to make the search button work. So of course, first I just make the search button, place it in the grid with the sticky, and I change the website entry width so it looks better. Then we have the search function here. So I open the data just JSON with the read mode. I move the data, or I'll make a variable called data with the JSON.load search info. So if the website entry is empty, let's see here. So first, I just have a basic if statement. So if it's empty, I have this message prompt. Then, if it's not empty, then we'll move on to the search function. So first, it will try to see if it has something in the entry. And if it, first, let's see here. Here, this variable will get the data and the website entry and username. So if I type in, let's say, Amazon, search. Here you go, Amazon username password. So every time I type in Amazon, you go through the dictionary, pick up Amazon, pick up the username and the password. So here I get the username, here the username, and here I get the password. And if I get a key error, so if it doesn't exist, like if I write MySpace or something, if we just produce this and you don't have any info about this web page. So I actually wanted it to be two different things. Here is an empty field, and here is if I've written something and it doesn't exist. And in the end, it will just make a message box showing the web page. See here. Show the web page, the website. Then we just show the username, which is this, and then the password. And that's it for today. So mostly lessons, and then this JSON learning and this search bar function. It wasn't that complicated, and I really like JSON. The way to use JSON instead of CSV or text files was just worse. But yeah, thank you for listening today. I'll get a new video tomorrow. See you.